What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as Solordi, the world first BTC original inscription and Solana, a pioneering gaming on Solana. So basically I was discussing with project owner, and in the end we decided to introduce this platform in front of my community because I thought it's a massive potential inside and you can generate best return in the future if you join. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this platform, and if you think it's perfect for you, so you can join that. But my responsibility is to provide one of the most top listed platform on my channel that can give you a huge amount of return in future. So without wasting our time, let's discuss about the details. It's very important to stay tuned with me, and in a few minutes I will guide you how you can join that. So each and everything is mentioned, so it's very important to understand. Here you can see the details is given, and I will provide you all the detail. Like you can see the raised of 1.000 and the goal is $126. So this is their aim in future, that it can pump it up. So you can see here the detail is given also. So you can join the store. Next we will see the next detail. So I will tell you here. You can see that their tokenomics and how you can buy that. It's very important to tell you that how you can buy that. So I will discuss later on. First we will discuss the main page, and after that I will tell you how you can buy that. Okay, next here is the contact. You can contact here, you can copy the address, and you can easily buy from there. And it's so simple. You need to connect to your MetaMask wallet and you can easily buy it. So here you can see the details is given, the profile summary here in front of you. You can see the token supply in Solana, and next you can see the owner program, and next you can decimals, each and everything is mentioned. Price at the moment is perfect price to buy, because after it hit the target, I think you can achieve massive. Next you can see the market cap, it's quite massive, and next you can see the current supply and the next holder. At the moment they have 3,731 holders, so it's quite acceptable achievement at the moment. And next official channels, so you can see here the details is given. Okay, next here you can see how you can buy. Okay guys, let's check out how you can buy that. So it's so simple, and first you need to copy the address from here, and you can easily copy the address, and here you can see the details is given, and their price chart and market cap and each and everything. You can see the current supply and holder, they have 3,731. it's quite massive. So here you can see the detail how you can buy that. So I will tell you the detail how you can buy that. So here you can see details is given, and in which currency you want to buy. If you select USDT, so it's mean okay, up with the $20 you can buy 2,528 solo. And if you change your network and you want to swap with the Solana, so here you can see with one sol how much you can get from here. Let's see, and here you can see 21,292. So it's a perfect time, because the price is acceptable and you can generate best return by buying at right time. So let's discuss further, and I will tell you the more detail about that, and I'm sure you will be satisfied to see all the information regarding that. So let's move forward. Next you can see they have a very strong partners community, and none of the project can be successful without active and strong partners community. And one thing that inspired me to introduce this platform, because they have a very strong partners community. So that's impressive. Okay, next अगर आप नीचे चले जाएं तो यहाँ पे आपको Solordi bullish की डिटेल मिलेगी. यहाँ पे आपको पूरी information इसके regarding आपको provided. So you can study that and get more information regarding this platform. ओके नेक्स्ट नीचे चले जाएं तो आपको लिंक अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे व्यू ऑडियो इंस्क्रिप्शन, सो यू कैन कॉपी द लिंक एंड आप इसी तरीके से लिंक को कॉपी कर सकते हैं और नेक्स्ट आप इसको आगे लेके चल सकते हैं. हियर इज रोड मैप, सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू विजिट द रोड मैप बिकॉज वी विल सी व्हाट दे वांट टू डू इन द फ्यूचर एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अचीवमेंट दे हैव. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि आपको पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दिस आपको मिलेगी, जिसमें सोलाना SDK कंप्लीशन की डिटेल होंगी, जिसमें आप देख सकते हैं लॉन्च बीटा वर्जन इन सोलोरिडी. सो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे आपको अवेलेबल है, तो आप इस तरीके से यहाँ से इसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं. So here the detail about the basics, the Solana Bitcoin inspection of the dollar olos and the BRC20, right? So यहाँ पे आप नीचे चले जाएं तो आपको similar to NFT oriental inspection or digital assets inspired by the Satoshi, the lowest denomination of Bitcoin. However, original inscription and immediate and can be modified through a smart contract. Next आपको इसकी नीचे डिटेल मिलेंगी तो आप इसी तरीके से कर सकते हैं. You can buy Dara Olus on BRC20 and next a DEX tool chart. So let's see their DEX tool chart. It's very important when you visit that. We can verify the prices and the details and current chart. Here you can see. So here's the current chart and it's quite acceptable, and I'm sure as things are moving and market is pumping up, it's a perfect chance to buy that, and I'm sure you can generate massive return if you start doing that right now. तो यहाँ पे आप मार्केट कैप इसकी देख सकते हैं, इसकी आप लिक्विडिटी की डिटेल्स एंड सिक्योरिटी एंड सप्लाई इसकी देख सकते हैं, होल्डर्स की तादाद. सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर फेस. सो आप इसी तरीके से इसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं. ओके गाइस, नीचे आप अगर आप चले जाएं तो यहाँ पे Ethereum was the cool, Solana is the better, so it's a perfect idea. So आप यहाँ से इजी तरीके से यहाँ से बाय कर सकते हैं. Tokenomics token symbol $Solo, and next total SPY is 1,000,000,000. Tax 0%, it's perfect. Next fair launch, already it's launched, and next distribution 7% of tokens in circulation and 18% to the and 10 million of the tokens is set aside by the public airdrop. So it's good news. Next आप नीचे चले जाए तो how to buy Solidity. It's very important. Connect to your Solana wallet. First you need to connect your wallet. It's so simple, and add the Solana to Sol and change your network to Sol, and easily you can finalize the swap. It's very easy. Okay, next. In the end, you can see the social media. They have links, or each and everything is mentioned. If you have any question, you can jump in and ask. You can join the community. It's a perfect idea to join the community, because when you join the community, you will become the member of their community, and it's a perfect way to understand and visit latest news, and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this project. And moreover, if you have any question, you can join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding this project. So it's all over, guys, and I'm sure you briefly understand regarding this project. And Solordi, it's a massive opportunity for you to jump in, and I'm sure you will grab this opportunity, and it's a perfect idea to buy now. तो आप अभी भी buy कर सकते हैं, and in future if you hold, and you can generate best return in 2024 very soon. So it's all over. So we'll meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.